Used to bite my tongue and hold my breath. Scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely.
I guess that I forgot I had a choice. Let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything.
You held me down, but I got up, already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound, like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I've got the eye of the tiger, fighter, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Now floating like a fire, singing like a Vita, earn my zeros to my own hero. Floating like a butterfly. I've got the eye of a tiger, dancing through the fire. Dancing through the fire. Yeah, yes, you're gonna hear me roar. Louder than a lion. Louder than a lion. You're gonna hear me roar. Louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. You're gonna hear me roar. You're gonna hear me roar.
All right, Knox. Wow, I'm still smiling. I was smiling through the whole performance. It was wonderful. You see that teacher that you have there? She's brilliant. Listen to everything she say, because I hear you sounding like her, and that is good because she sounds amazing. So you guys, wonderful arrangement. You come with your orchestra sound nice. You guys sound good. You look good. You look happy, and you were roaring. I felt the roar. It was awesome. Good job.
Knox came to knock us for 6. Right. Your presentation was accurate in all areas, in the blend, the tone, the harmony, and the movement, and the spirit of the song. I found that the best thing for me was the development into the chorus, and the chorus was amazing. So I am looking forward to seeing you in the weeks to come.
I found out recently that you're a pro teacher. You're the one that taught the teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
But I have to say that I've been watching Camperdown, Merle Godfrey Stewart, but Knox just knocked out the competition.
Smashing!